How to lock your debit card in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your fingerprint, face recognition or passcode. From the home screen, tap on your cards. If you have multiple cards, select a debit card you want to lock. If you have only one card, you will be taken directly to that card's page. On the card details page, find the option to freeze or lock your card and tap to enable it. This will temporarily lock your debit card, preventing any new transactions while keeping your card active in case you find it later. If you found your card, simply return to the app and toggle the lock off to reactivate your card. Locking your card quickly helps protect your account from unauthorized transactions. If your card is misplaced or you just want to pause usage, now you know how to lock your debit card in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.